Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of December 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take as it resonates, okay? So let's get started with your reading. For my Virgos, December 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, Virgos, what's going on with my Virgos, please? Virgos, December 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. At the back of the deck, we have the star energy. So this energy is of hope, is of understanding, is of a situation where you want peace with that situation. You want resolutions in your life. You do not want to get involved in more problems. You want things to be simple. You want things to be happy, peaceful around you. In the past, we have Knight of Wands, Ten of Swords and Four of Cups. It looks like you dealt with a lot of problems, a lot of endings in life. Endings which came towards you really fast. You did not expect. For some of you, it feels like you were kind of a person who was very much of a party kind of a person. And you know, when we do not take tensions in our life, that life of a teenager, it's like a very beautiful life. You feel like that, but there were some endings, there were some things which changed your outlook. You were changed overall. In the present, we have the Sun, Seven of Wands and Three of Wands. I see you as a very polite one now, as a person who is thinking a lot, who is planning a lot, who is there for himself or herself more than other people, because you are searching for something else right now. Okay, in the coming future, we have Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Swords and the High Priestess. The things which you want to attain in your life at present, you are going to attain them definitely. Some of you are cutting things off in regards with love, in regards with other materialistic things, okay? It does not has to be only money or only love. Sometimes you have to cut something to get something, okay? You have to sacrifice some situations, some things in life. Let's clarify now. So, let's see. For my Virgos, why the star energy is here? It all started with the star energy. The star energy for my Virgos, please. Star energy for my Virgos. Okay. Although they came in the reversals, I'm going to take reversals for you. Hermit in reverse, Ten of Swords in reverse and Five of Wands in reverse. It's your overall energy, my dear Virgos. It feels different. It feels like you do not want to involve in any more problems, in any more things, you know, if things have ended with you, if some people have ended some situations with you, it's like a proper end. I don't see you going back to the same person or same people in your life. This is a dreadful ending. It was not peaceful, definitely, but you're not going back to the same person, or you're not going back to the same things from where you have come. Hermit in reverse, it's telling me that you at some point, you are alone, but do not make this aloneness to more of a loneliness, okay? Because for some of you, you are seeming as you are feeling lonely a lot right now. The reason I'm saying so slow is because of my throat. If I say fast and fast, I might start coughing. So things over here are coming up for you as very slow energies, very much not putting energies into something. For some of you, it's a feeling of depression. For some of you, it's a feeling of enlightenment. Okay, but those energies are slow right now. Let me clarify more. Tell me about the Knight of Wands. Tell me about the Knight of Wands in the past, please. Ace of Swords, Sun, and Page of Wands. You have always been that kind of a person who is really happy to start or to see new things, to be passionate about new energies in life. You are that person who has always seen the clarity in a situation, who has always seen happiness in every situation. But there was something. Tell me about this Ten of Swords. What was this Ten of Swords in my Virgo's life in the past? What is this Ten of Swords? World, Seven of Cups, and Queen of Wands. It could be in relation to a person in your life. There were confusions, temptations. Might be you were confused with other woman or other man in your life, and because of that, everything went upside down. You were not able. It could be you. It could be a person as well. But somebody out here started to become confused and started to realize, started to, forget what is important and what is not important. Like a person betraying his or her other person. So that is why things went wrong in your life. Because of that, sudden changes. Four of Cups, Two of Cups, Four of Cups again, and Queen of Pentacles. Yes, there was a new love energies which came in the life. A new person coming up, and because of that, everything became confused, and you did not accepted the actual actual love which actually came towards you from other person, from the person who actually loved you. A person could be a Capricorn in your life, but it could be you also who was actually denied. You were the one who was giving love to a person, but that person said no to you. So this could be that energy. Tell me about the Seven of Wands energy for my Virgos. Why the Seven of Wands is here? Queen of Swords, Four of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles. I feel that somebody out here is waiting. Not waiting. I feel that whosoever said no is not waiting anymore. It's like, okay, you said no to me, now I am cutting you off from my life, and it's my final decision. I do not want these things to go on happening with me again and again. I want to start a new life. I'm seeing myself as a new person. I'm taking my things, I'm taking my situations in my own hand, and I'm planning a beautiful future ahead with myself. This is the strong Virgo energy which is coming up over here. You are putting your efforts in something else. It could be money related things, in your work, in some other things, or a new relationship, but you are not putting the same efforts in the same situation in the past, because you have realized that it will not give you any happiness. Three of Wands in the present. Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and the Lovers. Yeah, you want a person, if your knight in shining armor, you want that person to come towards you, and you are planning for that. You do not want to be with just anyone. You want a very stable, happy relationship. You want somebody who actually love you the way you love them, and you're working for that only, Virgos. Tell me this Nine of Pentacles energy in the future. What's coming up in the future for my Virgos? Death in reverse, Star and Five of Cups. Somebody is coming towards you in the future. Death, transformation, but somebody is not ready to accept it. This is death in reverse. You are working for a very beautiful future, but somehow if this person comes back in your life again, it seems like you might not accept the person. Wow, it's good. You know, you're cutting the other person again, you're cutting them off in your life. If this is an ending, I am sure I do not want any reconciliation. That is what you are saying. I'm happy to be single because I'm working towards something else in my life. My independence, my life, my me time, my self-love, that is all what is actually important, because I am understanding what is really important and what is not important. And you, my dear, are not important in my life. So this is what you are saying to your person. Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups, Three of Swords, and Ten of Wands. I don't see you being this person again. Okay, you are emotional, you will be emotional. Sometimes you might feel that I might say yes to this person again, but you will become cold-hearted towards them because they do not deserve love from you anymore. The High Priestess, Six of Cups, Six of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. You are going towards something which we call, you're going towards the calmer waters in your life. You are going towards something calm, something peaceful, as I told you before. You do not want to be with the same person anymore. You are taking your life slowly, one day at a time. This is what you are taking, you are going towards. And that, my dear, how things will happen in a good way in your life, okay? So yeah, I see peace, I see resolution, happiness, because the way you want them, it's not how people want them from you, it's how you want them. You want the happiness in your life. All right, so thank you so much for bearing with me with my bad voice, and I'm sure I helped you somewhere or somehow. So that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.